Today's vlog is a little bit different. Today's vlog ends tomorrow and I want to do an experiment, but let's start from the beginning. My first YouTube short I uploaded it last year on Black Friday and it was more a joke rather than everything else. And it got a total over 300 views and 16 likes. That was 4 months ago. And this video is, to be honest, just that. It is only a black screen. A black screen because it was Black Friday. Then I took it a little bit more serious and uploaded this one, Traveling in Bangkok, Thailand in 2022 is like. And this one got overnight over 17,000 views and more than 500 likes, which is crazy. And I also can remember that day waking up and just showing Fabienne the numbers. It was totally insane. It is only this one. I mean, this is only Fabienne walking. Walking in a beautiful dress. Was it Wat Arun or what was it?
Wat Pho.
It was Wat Pho. It was Wat Pho in Bangkok. And then I thought, maybe this is a way to get new subscribers, because from this video I got overnight more than 20 subscribers, which seemed to be, for me, an insane amount of new subscribers in one day, overnight, by making a video which is only 16 seconds long. So I kept uploading and I uploaded some shorts between 10 and 15 up to 20 seconds long. They all got on average 2,000 views and between 80 and a little bit more than 100 likes each short. When we left Thailand and started working here, I had no more videos I could upload, so I stopped doing that. And last week I made a compilation video about our 100 days traveling around the world, like a recap. I made a proper video and a YouTube short as well. I don't know how long it took me to edit this video, but I also found some other video clips I could make some YouTube shorts from. So it came that I edited 6 more YouTube shorts and I uploaded them in the last couple of days. Stop. I need to tighten the screw a little bit. They are too loose. Should be better now. And guess what? Here are the numbers of the shorts. So on views, on average, only 100 and approximately around 10 likes per short on average. Is this YouTube Shorts hype already over, or am I doing something wrong maybe? So I want to do a little bit of an experiment. I want to re-upload the video compilation again, because in my opinion I think it deserves definitely more views and more likes. I'm gonna upload this video twice on YouTube. We can start, by the way. You can go if you want to. I'm gonna upload it twice. One without hashtags, without a description, without anything, just raw. And the video title is gonna be something like, I don't know, but complete different what you can see in the video. So like a little bit like a clickbait video. And the second time I'm gonna upload it with the hashtags, with the description, with everything. So SEO optimized. And in exactly 24 hours we're gonna check again. Oh, that's the seatbelt. And in exactly 24 hours we're gonna check in again and see what the result is. But for now we need to get some groceries for the last time we are here in Scone. So I just uploaded the 2 YouTube shorts. This one here with a proper title, a description and hashtags. So completely search engine optimized. And this one here, completely the same video, no description, no hashtags, nothing. Only a more clickbait title, I would say. Oh my god, she really did it, in terms of, oh my god, she really left her friends and family behind to travel the world. Gonna check in 24 hours to see which one does better. Oh, and also, by the way, I used the same song for both videos. What do you think?
Clickbait.
Clickbait video?
Mm-hmm.
A few moments later.
So, it is only 2 minutes since the videos were published, and the clickbait video already got 20 views, and this one only 1 view. That's gonna be very exciting. Oof. Have you seen it? Oh my god. Okay, so it's been now not exactly 24 hours, it's been now 22 hours and 13 minutes. And guess which video did better? Yes, the video without the hashtags, without the description, without anything. But I also need to admit that both videos only got 15 and 92 views. But 92 views, the video with no description, no hashtags, nothing at all. It's the same video, the same song has been used. What can we learn from it? It really depends not on the title, neither the hashtags or the description. The video does not have to be search engine optimized. It really is only the content. Content is king. And this now just motivates me even more to do more. Just do more. Okay, stop, that's okay. That's you can stop right here, honey. Yeah. Oh!